Hi there, welcome to Mama Doll Boss. Today we are going to be looking at Mini Brands Create and comparing it to Make It Mini Foods to see which works better for our kitchen. So stay tuned and join me in the fun as we unbox these capsules.
So let's start off with Mini Brands. So it does come with this has this UV light here. It turns on and off here, and it looks like a chef's hat. You do get 5 bags, so the hat is one of the surprises. So in the first bag, we got a cheesecake here. You also get tongs and a fork. Here is the collector's guide showing you all the different treats that you get. And it also has the instructions here. And then here you can see all the different treats you're able to get. And it looks like this is the one that we got here. This cheesecake, this almond apricot cheesecake, which is really cute. So come this placemat here. We have some apricot jam. And this is so cute. It has like a can of apricots. This is adorable. And we also have this spout. Of course, I dropped it on the floor. Always do. Oh. Can you see that? Like my almonds are, it was open. It didn't come in a container. Like, okay. I guess it was supposed to come in this bag and the bag is open. So, yeah. And then we do have a cake slicer. And it comes with a plate. And here is the cake plate right here. I'm going to be using my nail UV lamp here for a stronger cure. Here is the cheesecake. It looks so real. I make cheesecakes from scratch, and this is, when it comes out perfect, this is how it looks. So now the instructions say to put the almonds on there and then add the glaze and then apply the peaches and then add more glaze and cure. And here it is all cured. I did add some more glaze on top, and I think it looks pretty good. So now let's compare with the Make It Mini and see what we get. Make It Mini, we do get a lot of descriptions because both of them have resin play, so there's a lot of safety involved. And then we get a collector's guide showing you all the possibilities. And I've unboxed these before. I'm just hoping I get something new and I don't get a double. And here is the back of the guide that has all the recipes, just like the mini brands. And it does come with a table. Let's open up the bags. And I see this blue bag, so it looks like I'm getting a drink. But no, it's a pizza box. I'm so confused. So inside was the cheese sauce. I guess it needs to be refrigerated, which is why it was in the blue bag. We also have grated cheese. And we have pepperonis. So we get tongs. It also comes with this cute pizza slicer and a topper for the capsule. So I'm going to use the plate from the Mini Brands Create because MGA Make It Mini just gives you a box. So after looking at both of the capsules, I am going to say Make It Mini Brands Create is my favorite as far as making the food. You get more utensils, regardless of savory or sweet. You get a cake plate, which I really find, really nice to have. And I mean, don't get me wrong, I do like Make It Mini. The pizza box is cute. I mean, I thought that was cute, and I do like the pizza slicer that came with the, Make It Mini brands, but the Mini Brands Create just gives you more options. I just like, you get a placemat, it gives you more utensils, and the dishes are really nice. Not to mention, if you look at the actual collector's guide and scan that QR code, you could get the actual recipe and make this in real life. So I think that's, really awesome, and it gives more points in my opinion. But that's just my opinion, and if you like Make It Mini, I hope I'm not offending you. So now I am going to unbox this Miniverse Make It Mini Spa Edition. I've seen a few people unbox this, and it has me very curious to see what is available. So let's get it open. All right, so I believe this is the tub. Yeah, because it has little feet, so the capsule is now the tub. I think that's really cute. I mean, obviously it won't work for my scale. And we have body oil here. I like this bottle. And then it has white sugar. Oh, let's see. And they have how-to videos here if you scan it. That's really cool. You do get a list of warnings. You do get this cute little mason jar. That's adorable. And it's like wrapped in like little newspaper. That's so cute. Oh, another mason jar, and I love the color palette, pink. Oh, and rose scrub. Okay, so this tells you what you get. So it looks like I got the rose scrub. Oh, you do get a loofah. Look at this loofah. This is definitely cute for our dolls. Like, this definitely can work for 1/6 scale. This is adorable. And then you get this tray here. And what is this? Body scrub scent. And then in this one, oh, here's the feet to the little capsule. It has a little tray that slides out. Little feet is pretty straightforward on how to put the feet on here. Oh, I forgot a bag. So here is the spoon. Then you mix the sugar, the oil, and the scented liquid in the bowl that is included in the capsule. And you mix it all up really, really well. And then you put the actual solution in the mason jar for storage. And here you have it, and you can actually use it for yourself. Use it on my skin, and it looks pretty good. So there you have it. I think this is a really cute idea. Obviously, this doesn't fit a 1/6 scale Barbie doll, but you can use it for a Chelsea doll. And you can just, I'm gonna incorporate this into my 1/6 scale bathroom. So yeah, this was awesome. Thank you so much for joining me. If you did like the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope all of you have a super fantastic day. Bye.